Monday onwards, we are beginning with sports classes. And first week, it will be a total about Surya Namaskar. All the students regularly in the morning, that is 7 o'clock, you have to wake up early, take bath, and immediately you have to perform daily 11 times Surya Namaskar. Our one bright student of Yogasana, that is Master Upendra Kulkarni, he is going to demonstrate you Surya Namaskar. Now accordingly, Upendra is here, he is going to show you Surya Namaskar, and when this video will be uploaded in your classes, you have to daily perform 11 times Surya Namaskar. Coming week it will be of Surya Namaskar, and one by one week we are going to change with other yogasanas, also some sports drills, some Zumba activities. So keep in touch with school activities. Thank you. And Upendra will start now Yogasana. Benefits of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a scientifically proven yoga routine which contains lots of health benefits like healthy lower and upper body. It is effectively strengthening the legs, ankle, feet. The pose firms the hip, relieve sciatica and reduces flat feet. Also, it helps to develop muscle and core strength. Second, increases blood circulation. The active inhalation and exhalation process throughout the Surya Namaskar keeps the blood oxygenated and lungs ventilated. The optical flow of fresh blood in the body is a great way to detox the body, making it free from toxic element and carbon dioxide. Third, it is weight loss. When the Surya Namaskar is practiced regularly and at fast pace, it stretches the abdominal muscle, assisting you in reducing weight around the stomach area. Not only losing weight, but it also helps to tone the abs and strengthen the muscle. Next, it is fourth one, enhancing fitness and flexibility. It is a comprehensive workout that benefits the entire body. The diverse 12 posture stretch, strengthen and boost fitness level of the body. It works on the joints of wrist, the forward flowed, extend the leaves and make the spine spur. It helps to control blood pressure and heart problem. Surya Namaskar is a natural remedy for blood pressure. The Surya Namaskar benefits the heart muscles and corrects irregular heartbeats. The practice also keeps sugar level in control, thus keeping the heart problems at bay. Breathing stamina increase. It improves the capacity of lungs, stimulates oxygen supply and regulates it to all the vital organs in the body. Mental development. It improves the mental and physical balance of the person's body, develops patience and builds stamina by increasing the mental capacity of the brain and the body. So, daily you have to practice this Surya Namaskar, which is shown by Master Upendra Kulkarni 11 times. Coming week, that is from 31st August to 4th of September, that is 5th of September till Teachers Day. Daily you have to perform 11 times Surya Namaskar. And next week we'll come with another Yogasana. Thank you and have a nice day.